Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Lodoba SAT25 Automatic Robotic Pool Vacuum. I've gone through the internet, specs, and early user feedback to help you decide if this is actually worth buying or not. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. Right away, the biggest highlight here is that this is a completely cordless robotic cleaner. That means no hoses, no cables, and no complicated setup. You literally charge it, drop it in your pool, and let it do its thing. From what I've seen, this is one of the main reasons people upgrade to robots like this because it removes a lot of the hassle compared to traditional pool cleaning systems. Now, in terms of performance, this cleaner is equipped with dual brushless motors and strong suction power, designed to pick up everything from leaves and sand to fine debris. It also uses smart sonar-based navigation, which helps it map out your pool and clean efficiently instead of randomly moving around. One of the most important features here is the full coverage cleaning. This robot doesn't just clean the floor, it can climb walls and scrub the waterline, which is where a lot of dirt and buildup usually sits. That's something cheaper pool vacuums often miss, so it's a big advantage if you want a truly clean pool. Battery life is also impressive. It can run for up to around 150 to 190 minutes on a single charge and cover pools up to about 2,150 square feet. That's more than enough for most residential pools, and it means you can usually clean the entire pool in one session. Another thing I like is the ease of use. It's basically a one-button system with multiple cleaning modes like floor-only, wall-only, or full coverage. It also has a self-parking feature, so when the battery is low, it moves to the side of the pool for easy retrieval. Now, after looking through real user discussions and similar SAT25 base models, the feedback is generally positive but not perfect. People love how convenient and easy it is to use, especially the cordless design and wall climbing ability. Some users even say it performs surprisingly well compared to more expensive cleaners. But there are also a few downsides you should know. Since this is a newer or lesser-known brand, long-term reliability and support can be a bit uncertain. Some users also mention that while suction is strong, ultra-fine debris can sometimes slip through depending on the filter quality. And like most robots in this price range, navigation isn't always perfect in very complex pool shapes. So here's the honest verdict. If you want a cordless, easy-to-use robotic pool cleaner that can handle floors, walls, and water lines without spending a fortune, then yes, this is definitely worth considering. It offers a lot of high-end features for the price and makes pool maintenance much easier. But if you're looking for proven long-term durability, ultra-precise navigation, or premium brand support, then you might want to look at higher-end models from more established brands. Overall, the Lodoba SAT25 is a powerful and convenient robotic pool cleaner that delivers great value and solid performance, especially for homeowners who want a low-effort way to keep their pool clean.